Good evening, everyone. It's Learn Ilocano time, and for tonight, let's start learning body parts in Ilocano. And let's start learning with the upper body parts. So, let's start. First word or first body part, let's start with the face. The face or face in Ilocano is rupa. 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 Next, the hair, buok. 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 The eyebrows in Ilocano is kiday. 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 And the eyes, mata. Mata. The eyelashes, kurimatmat. 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 The nose, agong. 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 And those cheeks, cheeks, ping ping. Ping ping. Ping ping. The ear or ears, lapayag. 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 Let's do a review. Let's start with, this time, the hair. Hair, buok. Buok. The face, rupa. Rupa. The eyebrows, kiday. Kiday. Eyelashes, kurimatmat. Kurimatmat. Eyes, mata. Mata. And the cheeks, ping ping. Ping ping. Also, the ears, those ears, lapayag. Lapayag. The nose, agong. 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 Agong.